Hello, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video will illustrate how to create an account with CoinMarket. So now if you want to do that, you can equally do that from their web version by visiting coinmarketcap.com, or you go straight to Google Play Store or iOS Store and you now download their mobile app. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using the mobile app version. So now once you click on CoinMarketCap, you now proceed and you click on create an account. Once you click on proceed and click on create an account, if you want to sign up with your Google account, you proceed and you continue with Google. And if you want to proceed with your Apple ID, you also continue with that. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be going with the email address. Here is my email address, and then I will now create a password. So now that is the password right there. So now once you're done, you now click on create an account. You now proceed with the security check deposit, and then you now see an indication that they already sent a notification to your phone. So now if you want to enter that, you now proceed and click on the drop down to enter the verification code sent to your mail. So now let's proceed to my mail right here. So now you see you have a new mail, you proceed and you now copy the number. Well, you can as well proceed with the registration by clicking here to verify. So now let's proceed back to the mail and we now paste the number right there. So now if you want to receive their newsletter, you proceed and you click to subscribe, but me, I don't want to receive, so I'll now click on no thanks. So now if you want to enable dark mode, you continue with dark mode, but if you don't want to enable dark mode, you turn it off. Then if you want to use English language as your preferred language, but if you don't want to, you proceed and you change. Then the default currency is USD and BTC. So now let's click on let's go. So right now this is your CoinMarketCap account. So if this tutorial is helpful to you, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.